Alright, we got back at West Edmonton Mall. And it's Friday, November the 18th. And we are back at the Montgomery, 1981 Montgomery elevators are kind of main golf course, which are on. I don't know if you can kind of see through the front. You can see the indicator is on in the platform. This right out here, it's almost pretty much almost all and up and running, which means soon this way elevator will be decommissioned in the stock market process. And which is exciting. We're going to take one last ride on this before this thing gets whipped out within the next week or so. Other than that, let's take a ride. And here it is. You know, original car station, which for very short we'll be going by. And here we go. See what this one. See what I got one second. The original COP, which will be going by your phone. And the original indicator, which will be going by. You can see same thing, various stuff which will be removed and moved here soon. See what I can put. We're not going to miss this beauty. This thing will be missed. See your original off station, which will be on, and then the new ads in there. Indicator is on. And now, let's go back a little bit for another. Oh. You can see here the elevator, all the stuff is taken out. Doing the last technician doing the last bit of work, get it in the service, and then once that happens, this thing will be out of service. Wow. Here we are back on the main floor. You see the barricade? That would be moved over to here. Into this. All station where we can go by shortly when the new fly out. Watch it go up one last time. There it goes. Other than that. Say goodbye. Let's officially say goodbye to the 1981 Montgomery elevator. It should be missed by all these great elevator fans. And other than that, that would be it.